Question number 24. Control rods are lowered into a thermal nuclear fission reactor 2. What does the control rods do actually? Control rods change the rate of reaction. That's what it does. Which means what? Instead of having the so many neutrons combined together, it absorbs the neutrons. That's what it does. Okay, so therefore when you say it's absorbing the neutrons, what does it say? It decreases the overall rate of fission occurring in the reactor. Hey, A is the right answer. The rest of them are incorrect. It does not reduce the energies. So increase the energies. No, it does not increase the energy. It is only to reduce the number of neutron recombination with the rest of the nucleus, colliding with the nucleus. Because you know, every reaction will produce 2 or 3 neutrons, and this will continue as a chain reaction, and the neutron is nothing but used as a projectile to actually hit the radioactive nucleus, thereby produce energy. Okay, so we need to stop that. So therefore A is the right option.